Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive link to share files, a simple, fast, and secure way to share documents, videos, photos, and more with anyone. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing files online, this guide is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at sharing Google Drive files like a boss. Open Google Drive first, head over to Google Drive. You can do this on your web browser or through the Google Drive app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Upload your file. Next, if your file isn't already in Google Drive, click on New and select File Upload. Then choose the file you want to share. For folders, select Folder Upload. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see your file appear in your drive. Select the File to Share, click on the file or folder you want to share. Right-click and select Get Link. This will open a sharing window. Set sharing permissions. Here's the important part. Make sure to set the permissions correctly. You can choose Restricted. Only specific people you add can access. Anyone with the link, anyone who has the link, can view, comment, or edit depending on the option you select. For most cases, you'll want anyone with the link so you can easily share it without adding emails. Copy and share the link. Once your permissions are set, click Copy Link. That's it. Now you can paste this link anywhere: email, chat apps, social media, and anyone with the link can access your file. If you want to track who views or edits your file, check the Share with People and Groups option and enter specific emails. This is perfect for teamwork or professional use, and there you have it. Creating a Google Drive link to share files is that simple. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want me to cover more Google Drive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.